What's going on, everybody? I am going to just do a couple things today. I need to put a new license plate bracket. Jesus Christ, hold the camera still. I need to put a license plate bracket on my Indian Challenger, and then I want to make the last and final adjustment I can on my Sportster suspension. So those are the two things I'm going to try to do today. So this will be a quick, easy video. Hopefully it will be anyway. So that being said, let's get to it. Alrighty, well, I've already taken my license plate off, but this is the license plate bracket that I bought. See if we can get you the part number 2880800-156. Unfortunately, it's chrome, but oh well, maybe I can get it powder coated black or something. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I'm really looking for one that lays down on the fender, so if anybody knows of one of those, post up in the comments below. It looks like this Harley one may work, like with the two bottom mounting holes, but I don't know for sure. If anybody has tried that, post that up too. I think Kuryakin makes one. That would be okay. Alright. Comes with hardware. And then instructions. I'll go get the tools that I need for this. Looks like a 5/32 will fit the end of it, and it's got like a lock nut, one of those nylon threaded ones. So what will fit there? 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter fits the nut, and then the 5/32 fits the screw head. Me a ratchet, me a little extension, maybe. I'm trying this mic again, but I've turned the volume down on the receiver part of it, just to see if the sound isn't so freaking out of whack. Eventually I'm going to either replace this altogether or drill these rivets out and get rid of these side markers. So, bolt, and then on the back side you put your washer and then your nut while you drop everything, because that's always handy. I don't like the way these mount anywhere. I don't know. I keep half the time I put it on mute, so I lose sound. So that's always wonderful. All right. Anyway, quit bitching about that. So, washer. Hopefully it stays. And then the nut. So I need to get it started somewhat. Then the washer. And then the nut. see here. That other one went in. I don't know if cross-thread this thing, I suppose. That covers up the year sticker. The year sticker. I don't know if I care or not. To be honest. You'd think it wouldn't cover up that. I can't be bothered with that. But I can be bothered with putting the wrench on the correct way. Oh no, I don't think I like this. Alrighty, that was the license plate holder. I don't know if I like it on there like that, but that's what I got. It's what I got. So next we will go to the Sportster and just make that quick adjustment on the exhaust, or not the exhaust, but the suspension. So let me put the tools back that I've used here, and go get the spanner wrench for the shock. So I'll go get my spanner wrench. I did buy the Harley one. If you can see that. But it's 94448-82B. So that's 94448-82B. This is not going to help the suspension at all, but I can at least say I tried. It's the same way on this other side. And that's the softest as it goes. Turn it the other way, it puts these springs up and it tightens the suspension. So it didn't move much. So anyway, that's really all I had to do this go. So I will see you next video. I'm going to go on a ride this weekend, so I need to get me anyway. Yeah, I'm going to go on a ride this weekend. It's supposed to be 80 degrees, so you may see some kind of a crappy vlog from me Sunday or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment, especially if you know a good license plate replacement for this Indian Challenger, because I don't know what to get. I don't know if I can get a Harley one just bolted up with 2 bolts or what. So, but it's got to be black. I think Custom Dynamics makes the LED bracket or a license plate thing for it, but I don't know. Anyhow, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'll talk at you later. Bye.